Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. So you know those explosive, crazy viral TikToks and Reels popping up literally everywhere right now? The ones with the massive glowing text, the high-energy editing, and those huge income claims? Well, today we're breaking down the exact modern American digital finance trend that's basically taking over the internet, earning daily income through AI side hustles. We're going to explore this complete cinematic blueprint, revealing the step-by-step guide that proponents claim can help complete beginners actually achieve this.
Okay, let's dive right into this. $200 a day. That is the target. I want you to picture a futuristic neon-lit dashboard in your mind right now, with dollar bills continuously tracking and ticking across the screen. For modern digital creators, hitting this daily number through smart AI automation is increasingly touted as a totally standard reality. So let's look at exactly how they're supposedly pulling this off. Listen to this prevailing claim. It's pretty powerful. Right now, people in America are using AI tools to make hundreds of dollars every single day, from home. According to these sources, regular people with absolutely zero technical background are living this remote lifestyle right now. Instead of stuffy corporate boardrooms, they're operating out of luxury high-rise apartments or corner coffee shops, just using freely available internet tools. So here's our ultimate starter blueprint. Number 1, the 200 Daily AI Blueprint. 2, Step 1, AI Writing Hustles. 3, Step 2, Fast Content Creation. 4, Step 3, Passive AI Automation. And finally, 5, Build Your Remote Lifestyle. Let's move to and see how this builds, starting with the $200 Daily AI Blueprint, building your automated internet business. If you're a complete beginner, this right here is your anchor. It's a 3-phase roadmap. Step 1 is AI writing, Step 2 is content design, and Step 3 is passive automation. You don't need a massive team anymore. You just tackle these 3 accessible tasks. Let's jump right into the easiest way to start. Step 1. AI Writing Hustles, which is all about instant, beginner-friendly freelance income.
Now, what's really interesting about this setup is breaking down exactly which specific tools you need in this modern workspace. On one hand, you've got ChatGPT, which is basically the go-to for general AI writing, brainstorming, and broad text generation. But then on the other side is Jasper AI, and that one is fine-tuned specifically for specialized marketing content. Understanding the difference between these two platforms is really the first key to unlocking that freelance success.
So what are the actual tasks, right? Well, the blueprint involves generating full blog posts instantly and utilizing these super fast typing content workflows where the AI is doing all the heavy lifting for you. The creator just takes that output and delivers the results to clients on freelance platforms like Upwork. It's positioned as an incredibly fast, highly motivated execution loop. And the goal of this entire loop, getting that glowing PayPal notification popping up on your smartphone. Boom! Plus $200. The sources suggest that instant freelance income is absolutely achievable when you pair your ambition with these intelligent writing tools. But, writing is really just phase 1. Let's move to Step 2, fast content creation. And the best part? No experience needed for viral visuals. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly how accessible the toolkit is for visual content. First up, Canva. Its primary function is to auto-generate graphics, which makes it absolutely ideal for custom YouTube thumbnails. Next is CapCut. Built for rapid video editing, it is literally the secret weapon for creating high-retention, viral YouTube shorts. These are 2 incredibly powerful, easy-to-use platforms driving automated social media growth. Picture this workflow, surrounded by a glowing neon blue and purple lighting aesthetic. You just hit a button to auto-create social media posts, use Canva to instantly generate viral thumbnails, and you use CapCut to rapidly edit YouTube shorts, perfectly matching that fast-paced TikTok style. It becomes this seamless, unstoppable rhythm of pure content output. And the core promise of this whole phase is massive. No experience needed. Literally zero. The appeal here is imagining your content dashboards just lighting up with engagement, while the AI handles the actual technical execution, completely leveling the playing field for everyone. Which brings us to the holy grail. Step 3, passive AI automation. Building the ultimate smart hustle. So the crucial point is, this is where creators actually stop trading their time for money. The strategy involves setting up background systems to grow automated TikTok pages or using scheduling tools to auto-post Instagram Reels. Automating these specific tasks is exactly what transforms an active hustle into what proponents call a true passive income machine. It does the heavy lifting while you sleep. And a modern digital finance portfolio relies heavily on diversification. Think of it like a pie. One stream might be automated TikTok pages. Another slice is auto-posting Instagram Reels. And a third is automated AI blog content. By diversifying across these three distinct streams, creators build a robust safety net to keep the digital cash flowing even if one platform happens to dip. All of this leads to our final section: build your remote lifestyle. Work from anywhere, anytime.
Imagine PayPal payments clearing while you're just sitting back enjoying city skylines. That is the vivid payoff of the remote lifestyle. It's blending the high-tech, futuristic reality of AI tools with ultimate personal freedom. The internet doesn't close, and your automated systems definitely don't take days off. So, the action plan proposed by this blueprint is super clear. Leverage tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Canva, and CapCut to start an AI side hustle today, focusing on building multiple income streams for a rock-solid foundation. And there are resources like Cash Nova that offer daily AI money ideas for those looking to subscribe and keep that momentum going.
200 a day. For creators who are fully utilizing these tools, this daily income target isn't just some cinematic dream anymore. It's viewed as a literal mathematical reality of modern AI automation.
So that leaves us with one final, incredibly important question to consider. Which AI income stream will you build first today? Will it be freelance writing, viral YouTube shorts, or maybe an automated blog? The tools are out there waiting to be used.